Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of a review on the Lexol leather cleaner. I know this is pleather, this is GM pleather, whatever, it's fake leather, but this stuff works really good. A lot of times I just kind of drizzle it all on there. And I got a brush here. You know, it's a horsehair brush made for leather, shoes, whatever, saddles, whatever you want to use it for. And I kind of just scrub it on in there. Let it get nice and sooty. I've used other leather products in the past. I've used Chemical Guy stuff. They make a really good product. But I figured I'd give this shit a shot because I bought this from Walmart for, I don't know, probably like 12 or 13 bucks. And it works fantastic. I'm big into detail and I'm not a professional detailer, but I probably could be. Scrub it on in, let it sit for a while, and you just give her the old wipe with microfiber, and it cleans up extremely nice, shiny, slippery. So I like it. Let me grab another microfiber. I'll show you guys finished product here. Lifted on 35s. A hell of a lot better. So let me think what y'all think. This is before. It's dry and powdery. Now it looks nice and shiny and clean. So that's it, guys. I also used it on my leather on the shifter there. I haven't done driver's seat yet. It looks like shit, it's all tore up. Truck's 20 years old. I mean, what do you expect? But back seats look beautiful. Minus my lunchbox sitting there. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all.